In 1783, Iceland's Laki volcano erupted, spewing ash that blanketed Europe. This event, known as the Skaftareldur, led to a harsh winter, causing glaciers to advance. As these icy giants moved, they carved valleys and shaped landscapes, leaving behind fjords and moraines. But did you know this volcanic winter also sparked the French Revolution? The resulting famine fueled unrest, leading to the storming of the Bastille in 1789. How did a distant eruption reshape both land and history? The glacier's legacy remains, a testament to nature's power to alter both Earth and human destiny.